Namaste everyone. I am Kumari Sanvi Sagar Badge, new second year UG 2023 batch student of Government Ayurvedic College and Hospital, Nagpur. Today I bring to you a dish divine, Trika Baati. One recipe, three designs. The soul of a Kachori, the shape of a Samosa and the heart of a Baati. All woven in Ayurveda's harmony, both healthy and hearty. When ancient Ayurveda meets a mindful plate, taste and healing beautifully integrate. Zoom in now, see every grain shine, each ingredient divine by design. Bajra atta, my grain of choice, coarse yet kind. Warm in nature, it strengthens the mind. It's Ushna and Guru but keeps Vata in check. In modern view, rich in fiber, heart protect. Moong dal, light, digestible, clear, a Tridosha balancer, keeps body sincere. Amla powder, sour and pure. Rasayana, immunity is cure. Rich in vitamin C, cooling by trait. Rejuvenates skin and balances fate. Ashwagandha powder, the strength of a stallion. Balya, Medhya, ancient battalion. Restores nerves, relieves the strain, builds ojas, steadies brain. Rajma, the red kidney bean, so strong, Balya in nature, gives the stamina all day long. Haldi powder, golden and bold, a healer praised in the classics of old. Varnya, Shothahara, it purifies skin and clay, keeps inflammation and infection away. Jeera, tiny seeds with deep power inside, lights up digestion, keeps toxins aside. Dhaniya, cooling, fragrant, sweet, detoxifies blood, makes digestion complete. Salt, the humble enhancer of taste. Sendhavlavan, the pure one, Ayurveda embraced. Mirch and garlic, a fury pair divine, ignite the Agni and make health shine. Vata Kapha, strong and smart, praised by Charak for caring the heart. Chili powder, fury red hue, sparks the Agni, makes digestion renew. In balance, it warms, adds passion and zest, a mindful recipe when used in its best. Together, they form nature's crew where every spice heals, every pulse renews. First, I knead Bajra atta into a soft warm dough, simple and rustic, that's Ayurveda's glow. Then I grind soaked Rajma and Moong dal to blend protein and pran in perfect mend. On a gentle flame with ghee divine, I temper Jeera, Haldi and garlic to shine. Add the dal blend, stir slow and neat, let every aroma rise and meet. Sprinkle Dhaniya, salt, Amla, Ashwagandha too, mix them well, old meets new. This filling is ready, aromatic delight. A Rasayana meal in golden light. Now roll Bajra dough into gentle rounds. Place the filling where taste abounds. One I shape like Kachori, puffed and proud. One like Samosa for the vibrant crowd. Brush them with ghee, such a sacred art. Air fry till crisp, golden from heart. Thus, my Trika Baati comes alive, a triple treat keeping health alive. Serve it with what your mood may call. Chutney, warm dal or buttermilk, Takra after all. Ayurveda says balance in plate, not just taste but life we create. So here it is, Trika Baati, my humble start, a dish of health, science and heart. Three forms, one soul, one aim, so clear to make Ayurveda modern, loved and near. This is Trika Baati, where flavor meets healing, a poetic blend of wellness and feeling. Crafted with devotion, served with pride, Ayurveda in every bite, taste and life unified. Thank you.